Hello guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to add volumetric lighting to your scene in Eevee and in cycles. So we have a basic scene here. We'll just delete this cube, add in a tree. Yep, there we have it. And set up our camera. Yep, so okay. We now have a tree, a camera and a light in the scene. Now, if I go to rendered view, you see that, well, there's actually nothing and it's just plain. Now to add volumetric lighting to your scene, go to world properties and you see this volume tab here, open it and select the volume to volume scatter. Now set the density to 0.01 and there you have it. So there's now a foggy environment all over, stretching into the infinity. You can see that there's volumes all over there. Well, I'll make it a bit more darker so it's better visible. And now you can play with it to get the God ray effect and just for other things. When you switch to cycles, it will be more better obviously. So here are some pictures that I made with the cycles render engine. So yep guys, that was it. Thanks for watching.